So what's up guys, welcome back. Today we'll be unboxing this. I'm going to tell you where I got this from, and those guys are legit. So without further ado, let's get started.
I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
So this is the box. Let's take a tour of the box. The key features include the Infinity U display, meaning Samsung are doing a notch. You're getting a dual camera, a 4000 mAh battery, a 6.2 Super AMOLED display, 16 megapixel and a 5 megapixel on your dual rear camera, your 16 megapixel front camera, 64 gigabytes of memory and 4 gigabytes of RAM. And we are appearing to be having the black version. So let's open this up. Okay, this should slide off. Oh, okay. Getting a box in a box situation over here. What's in here? Let's see. I am thinking your literature, the things people don't read. Put that to the side. They included a case. I'm thinking it's a fingerprint magnet. And here's the device itself. So let's pull that out. Put it to the side. It's this. Okay. And the contents of the box, your fast charger. Okay, that's nice. Your USB Type-C charger. And they included a decent pair of headphones. And your SIM ejector tip over here. So let's move on to the device itself. Put that there. Everything aside, and here we are, the device itself. Wow, I'm so eager for this moment of silence as usual. Oh yes, oh yes. Wow. And ladies and gentlemen, there we are, the Samsung Galaxy A30 in all its black glory. Damn, I really like this finish over here, this shimmering gradient type of finish over here. So let's see if there's some juice in the tank. And there we go. So as this powers on, let's take a quick tour of the phone. You're getting your volume rocker over here, your power button. You can see your speaker grill, your microphone, USB-C port, your headphone jack. On this other side, you can see the SIM slot. You can see your dual rear camera setup, the flash and the fingerprint scanner, and that Samsung logo. Oh my goodness, I'm already loving this phone. A quick word from the sponsors as I set up this phone. Okay, I'm not setting it up right now, behind the scenes setting it up. So I got this from Omar Marketplace. Now these guys have a wide range of products, really good prices, like prices you won't get anywhere right now in Kenya. You guys should go check these guys out. They are legit, and they have a lot of benefits. First of all, they do same-day delivery in Nairobi, and it's free shipping. If you order anything within Nairobi, you get it on the same day and it's shipped to you for free. Make sure you check these guys out, and if you're interested in buying this phone by the time you're finished watching this unboxing video, I'll leave our promo code in the description below for you to use. And if you shop with that promo code for this specific phone, you'll get a 5% discount on already discounted products like this phone. So let's continue the video. Straight into the home screen. Let's go through what we are getting here. Okay, I actually like the grip, and it's not quite slippery, I'd say. And adding this silicone case to it kind of gives it more grip, which is a nice addition, especially now that you're getting it included in the box. So let's go to our settings over here, and we can see it's rocking the One UI type of setup where you have all your settings kind of brought down to you for easier reach. You know, even your shortcut bar, it's brought a little bit lower, easier to use one-handed mode. So software information, you can see we are running Android 9 straight out of the box. Moving on to the security settings on this phone. Let's see how that fingerprint scanner works on this other one. It's not the in-display fingerprint scanner like we saw in the Galaxy A50. So let's see. We're getting the fingerprint scanner at the back, the traditional type of fingerprint scanner. So let's see. We will use our pattern. Okay. So let us try to scan the fingerprint. Okay. Scanning it is pretty fast. It's trying to get all those edges over there. Continue. 6%, and we have added a fingerprint. So let's see those. Oh, that's pretty snappy. Lift and rest. With your screen on, of course, it will unlock faster. How about with the screen off? Nice. Lift and rest. I like where the fingerprint positioning is. It's easy to reach, not awkwardly placed. Nice. So let's have a look at face recognition. Okay, so let's set it up. Okay, so there we go. Face recognition, getting all the edges there, and my face has been registered. So let's see. Lock, face recognition, boom. That was fast. It's unlocking pretty fast. As you can see, it's a two-step process. The phone scans your face, unlocks your phone, and prompts you to swipe your phone to unlock it. That's nice. Let's jump into that display. We are rocking a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display. It's a flat display, no curved edges. And we're getting the notch, the U-shaped Infinity U notch. So jumping into the display settings, you're getting pretty much the basic settings, your brightness levels. You're getting a night mode, which I like. It saves on battery. Your font styles, and just to show you, since this phone comes with a notch and some of you might find that obtrusive, you can simply just block that out using software like so, and a thick bar is introduced at the top over here. But it kind of ruins the aesthetic. And yes, I know I'm not a fan of the notch, but it has somehow kind of grown on me, so I'll just use the notch. And on here you also have the navigations. You can use your navigation buttons or the gestures. So with the gestures, you just swipe up to go to your home screen, swipe that pill and hold to launch your Google Assistant, swipe that to go to your recent apps, and swipe that to go back. And you also have your always on display. So let's have a look at these speakers. So you're getting one bottom firing speaker. So let's just pull up some NCS from YouTube. Okay, so the volume is maximum there. Okay, so yeah, it's not stereo, only one bottom firing speaker, which is okay. It's pretty loud. Okay, the sound doesn't get distorted at high volumes, which is a nice plus. We kind of saw some sound distortion on the A50, but it's nice to see that it's not here. So this phone is powered by an Exynos 7904 chipset. It comes in two variants. You can buy the 3GB and 32GB storage version, or step it up to a 4GB of RAM and a 64GB internal storage, and a dedicated micro SD slot that can go up to 1TB. And that is something I've noticed that's pretty crazy about the A series. You're getting the capability to really expand your storage. And this screen over here is Gorilla Glass 3, and the back is Glastic, a mixture of plastic and glass. And this here is a plastic frame to give it more firmness and stability. And this is the juicy part of the whole phone. This thing has a 4000 mAh battery. And funny part is, how did they fit 4000 mAh battery in here in such a slim form factor? That's pretty crazy. So let's take a closer look, a deep dive at that dual camera lens setup we have on the A30. So you're getting a 16 megapixel f1.7 aperture lens and a 5 megapixel ultra wide lens, which is an f2.2 aperture lens. At the front over here, you're getting your 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture lens. So let's quickly take some samples over here. So just go through the quick features over here. You're getting your panorama mode, your pro mode, your live focus for your blur shots, and your video feature and your photos. So let's just snap a quick picture. That was snapped with the standard angle, and turning it all the way up to the wide angle. You can also snap that, and that's how it looks. And a live focus shot where it blurs the background. Let's just try and snap a quick photo. Let's turn the beauty mode off. Okay, right there. Okay, and let's take a live shot, portrait shot, like so. And that's basically it. I still have issues with this blur. It's kind of spilling into the screen, you know? And I'm really hoping Samsung do send an update to fix that. So let's wrap this up with a spec sheet. Why would you go out to buy this phone? First of all is the design. This kind of nice gradient shifting color, it's really eye appealing. It really does catch the eye and really does stand out. 2, you're getting a durable build, the Gorilla Glass 3 on here, and the Glastic back, a mixture of glass and plastic for more durability at the back, and our plastic frame, making it a really durable phone. 2, this thing comes with a 4000 mAh power battery. Practically, the phone can handle a day of usage without you having to stop and charge your phone. Third thing is that gorgeous screen, the Super AMOLED screen with that always on display feature, and those punchy colors you get when you're consuming your media, and those cameras, the highlight of this phone. Dual cameras making it to the mid-range section. Cameras that are actually quite good, taking your pictures, your videos. If you want to start shooting your YouTube videos on this, it's possible, or even just vlogging with your selfie camera. The only shortcomings in that is on here, on your selfie camera, you don't quite get the wide angle mode to shoot because it doesn't have a secondary lens. So you don't quite get the wide angle mode to shoot like and capture more in your shot. And the nitty-gritties of the phone, your USB Type-C, your headphone jack, and your dedicated micro SD slot for you to upgrade your whole storage. And if you're not quite a fan of this black gradientish color, you can also go for the blue color or the red color. Those are the available colors for this phone. And that's practically it. So massive shout for watching this video. Hit that like button. Let me know what you want to see in the review of this phone, and subscribe if you haven't. And yes, go get this phone from Omar Marketplace, and shopping with the promo link I'll leave in the description below will get you a 5% off. And don't forget the free shipping to wherever you are in Nairobi with same-day delivery. These guys are legit. They have a wide range of products, and that's basically it. That was the unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy A30. My name is Hezion. This is Lord Hezion. See you in the next one. Peace.